In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use countdown timers in Microsoft Teams. Countdown timers can be a fantastic tool for managing your time effectively during meetings, helping everyone stay on task and ensuring that discussions are concise and productive. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and enter Microsoft Teams into the search bar. Hit search, and once the search results appear, look for the official Microsoft Teams website link. Click on that link, and it will take you to the Teams login page. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Microsoft Teams account. You'll need your username and password, of course. Just enter those credentials, and soon you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Teams dashboard, ready to join or start a meeting. When you're in the middle of a meeting, you'll notice the meeting control bar located at the top of your screen. This bar is your gateway to a host of features that Teams offers to enhance your meeting experience. On this bar, you will see a More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this menu. Once you've clicked the More Options menu, a drop-down list will appear with several different choices. What you're looking for in this list is the timer option, which is perfect for time management within your meeting. Click on Timer, and this will bring up a set of options for your countdown timer. In the options that appear next, you'll see various preset durations, but if none of these suit your needs, don't worry. You can also enter a custom duration tailored to your specific meeting requirements. Just type in the amount of time you need and you're set. With your duration selected, it's time to start the countdown. Click on the Start New Timer button. This crucial step activates the countdown and makes the timer visible to everyone participating in the meeting. Once the timer begins counting down, all attendees can see it, ensuring that everyone is on the same page about time constraints. This is particularly helpful in keeping the meeting focused and efficient, as it serves both as a reminder and a motivator to stay on track. And there you have it. You now know how to use countdown timers in Microsoft Teams. By integrating this simple tool into your meetings, you can enhance productivity and ensure that all discussions are time-bound and effective. Enjoy making the most of your meetings with this handy feature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy timing.